This week, I've been up in Manchester meeting with a room full of business owners, talking to them about AI. And not just AI like let's shove AI into everything we can because that will sell more of it. No, AI more focused on how do we increase customer value and how do we decrease operational costs. My name's Pete Heslop and I've been running digital products and teams for 15 years. And I think for me, when I was going into this workshop with these business owners, my focus was to first give them some practical demos on how they could use AI tools available to them at a really no effort way. And the other way was to kind of show them that there's guidelines and guardrails to put into place. But ultimately, the thing that I really left them with was the cost of experimentation and how that has decreased so much in the last 12 months. You see, if you had an idea for, say, a CRM integration or a tool which was going to make your life a bit easier on the shop floor, before you might sketch that out, give that to a developer, and that would come back a few weeks later. But it's changed so much now. Now you just say to Claude or ChatGPT or whichever tool you're using, here's my idea, go and prototype it. Now, it's never going to be perfect. It might not be the thing you want to put all your secure data into. That's absolutely fine. But it gives you a chance to feel it, touch it, play with it, give it a chance before you really invest a load of money. And for me, that cost of experimentation has been mega when it comes to what we've been building here at Steadfast. For instance, if we're working with a client and we have an idea, something that might really turn the dial in terms of their customer lifetime value, we can experiment, we could give it a go, and the cost is quite low. Rather than before, we would have to really plan in weeks and weeks of work. Now, of course, this also affects your internal tools. At Steadfast, we have a range of internal tools, some of which have been purchased off the shelf and some of which are entirely bespoke to us. But now we're able to add new features on the fly with a very low cost just to trial it, and then we can flesh it out properly and more secure and more efficiently in the long term. But that cost of just trying out has absolutely decreased. So I'd really encourage you, open up your ChatGPT, open up your Claude, open up whichever tool you're using, and think of a pain point you're having today, and just see if you can build a demo, a prototype, something that might really move the dial in your business. The cost is so low. Now is the time to try. And if you hit on something which you really think will be a meaningful change, then come chat to us and we'll help you build it out for real. See you soon.